Hello. If you've got a batch stuck in posting in Dynamics GP, or you've got a batch that has been sent to recovery, this video is going to show you how to recover that batch and then figure out what the error is. So on this batch, I know that I have a duplicate. So if I were to try to post this batch, and then skip over the report screens, this batch is going to encounter an error here. So this error message should tell you enough info to figure out exactly what's going on. But in a lot of cases, users are just going to click through this, and then you're going to have a stuck batch and you're not going to know why. So to figure that out, first thing we got to do is recover the batch. So if you go to your GP menu, Tools, Routines, and then Batch Recovery, this is going to show you any batches that got stuck during the posting process. So you can see here that there's an error and edit is required. If we just pick our batch here and then click continue, that's going to take this out of recovery and then make it an active batch again within GP. So if we go back to our batches, we can pull this batch back up, which is what we'll likely want to do. And now we need to figure out what this error was exactly. So to do that, you can just click the print button up here. And then you're going to want to send this transaction edit list to your screen. And what that's going to do is give you a nice pop-up here that shows you exactly what is the problem with this current invoice. So the work message here is duplicate invoice numbers are not allowed, which means in this batch, this invoice here is actually a duplicate. So if it's a true duplicate, you can just delete it out. Obviously, you don't need to enter a true duplicate. But if there's an error or this is not actually a true duplicate, you can just go into the transactions menu on the batch and modify that document or invoice number so it is no longer recognized as a duplicate. Once you've done that, you can simply post this invoice batch as you would normally, and you should no longer receive that batch error. If you have any other questions or you need help with your AP processing, us over here at Fidesic, we have a whole host of AP automation solutions designed specifically for Dynamics GP. So check us out at fidesic.com, and hopefully we can help you out. Thanks.